Tired of digging through Finder to find your external drives? Let me show you how to get those external drives right where you need them on your desktop and easily accessible in Finder, improving your workflow in seconds. First, to get external drives on your desktop, we'll start with Finder Preferences. Click Finder in the top left corner of your screen, next to the Apple logo, and then choose Preferences. This will open the Finder Settings window. In the General tab, you'll see a section labeled Show these items on the desktop. Look for a checkbox next to External Disks. Simply check the box next to External Disks. This will allow your external drives to pop right up on your desktop. Now, let's make them show up in the sidebar of Finder 2. Click on the Sidebar tab at the top. Within the Sidebar settings, you'll see Locations. This is where you can control what appears in Finder's sidebar. Make sure the checkbox next to External Disks is checked. This will ensure that your external drives are always easily accessible in Finder. Now, all you need to do is close the Preferences window. Voila! Your external drives should now be visible on your desktop. And just like that, your external drives are also readily available in your Finder sidebar, streamlining your file management. With external drives displayed on your desktop and in Finder, accessing your files becomes much easier, and your workflow runs smoother. Happy managing!